All right, looking at worksheet 65, sorry. Okay, remember if it says a y-intercept of 8, you're going to start with 0, 8. Other point is negative 2, 3. So we're going to go through with our slope formula. Okay, so your answer would just be 5 over 2. All this noise you hear in the background is my lovely second period that can't be quiet. All right, I'm going to skip now to number 4, okay, which is a little bit different. It has a y-intercept of negative 3 and an x-intercept of 9. So we're going to do the same thing here. We're just going to do our slope formula. Negative 3 minus 0 and 0 minus 9, which gives me negative 3 over negative 9. The first thing you're going to deal with right here is our two negatives turn into a positive, and then 3/9 is going to reduce to 1/3. Okay. All right, number 5 is exactly the same way. Okay, so we'll jump to number 9. All right, 9, 10, and 11 are all exponent rule problems. It's 9, 10, and 11 are your exponent rule problems. So looking at problem number 9, I'm going to start right here. Okay, so that's going to become 25 a to the 14th. Multiply these together, that's going to give you negative 80 a to the 14th. And then once you notice you have the same exponent, you can simplify your answer, making our answer negative 105 a to the 14th. All right, on problem number 10, you're going to do the same thing. Problem number 11. Problem number 11, you're going to make sure that you multiply on top and then divide last. All right, problems 12 through 17. These are some problems we haven't done in a very long time. Okay, so I'm actually going to work out all 12, 13, and 14 with you. Okay, ultimately your goal here is to get this letter by itself. Okay, so just like a normal equation, I'm going to start by moving my xy. When I move my xy, I cannot combine that with a, so it's just a minus xy. And then in order to get m all by itself, I'm going to divide both sides by 7. Okay. For 13, we want to get c by itself, so I'm going to start by moving my 9a. And then I'm going to divide everything by 5. All right, and then for 14, everything here is multiplied, so the opposite of multiplication is just going to be division. So I'm just going to divide everything at the same time, and h will equal v divided by LW. All right, on number 15, your first step is going to be to multiply by 7. And on number 17, your first step is going to be to divide by 2. That's where I would start for 15 and 17.